Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 21st September 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Tesla is facing a wave of criticism in Hollywood as it gears up to unveil its new self-driving robotaxi, the Cybercab, at Warner Bros. Studio on October 10th. This innovative vehicle, designed to operate without traditional controls, relies solely on a Tesla app for hailing. However, the entertainment industry seems to be turning its back on Tesla, with some individuals even terminating their leases and walking away from contracts. The backlash is largely due to Elon Musk's controversial political stances, which have alienated many potential customers, especially among Democrats. Recent surveys show a significant drop in interest in Tesla vehicles, with nearly half of potential buyers now unwilling to consider a Tesla. This sentiment is mirrored in a 25% decline in Tesla sales in California this quarter. Despite these challenges, Tesla is still making moves, such as constructing a Tesla-themed diner in Los Angeles. However, the long-term impact of Musk's actions on Tesla's brand in Hollywood could be significant if trends do not change. In a surprising legal battle, Cards Against Humanity has filed a lawsuit against Elon Musk's SpaceX, seeking $15 million in damages. The company claims that SpaceX damaged a parcel of land they had protected from development. This land was purchased in 2017 with funds from 150,000 supporters who each contributed $15 to prevent the construction of a border wall. SpaceX allegedly encroached on the land, causing significant damage with construction activities. After being confronted, SpaceX offered a low settlement, which Cards Against Humanity rejected. The lawsuit aims to compensate the original subscribers, with potential payouts of up to $100 each if they win. The company emphasizes that the lawsuit is not just about financial compensation, but also about maintaining their reputation for keeping promises. They encourage supporters to share their grievances on social media, using the hashtag Elon owes me $100. In an unusual international incident, Chechen leader Ramzan Kadyrov has accused Elon Musk of remotely disabling his Tesla Cybertruck, which he claims was a gift from the billionaire. Kadyrov, known for his close ties to Russian President Vladimir Putin, expressed his frustration on social media, questioning Musk's actions and labeling them as not manly. He stated that the vehicle, which he had previously showcased with a machine gun turret, had performed well on the battlefield, but was now inoperable. Musk, however, has denied ever gifting the vehicle to Kadyrov. This incident highlights the ongoing tensions and bizarre interactions between high-profile figures in the tech industry and controversial political leaders. Elon Musk's leadership at Tesla is under scrutiny as the company faces challenges related to corporate financialization. A recent court ruling invalidated Musk's lucrative 2018 stock option package, but Tesla shareholders voted to reinstate it, raising concerns about corporate governance. The electric vehicle market is becoming increasingly competitive, particularly with Chinese companies like BYD gaining ground. Economist William Lazonick warns that financialization, which prioritizes short-term profits over long-term innovation, could harm Tesla's innovative capabilities. The potential for hedge fund activists to influence Tesla's direction poses a threat to its innovative edge. The future of Tesla and the broader EV industry remains closely tied to Musk's leadership and decision-making. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.